What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another FIFA 21 video. Today I have an exciting video for you guys, and that is going to be how to do the bronze pack method. Now, this is a method I really enjoy doing throughout the year of FIFA, and somehow it is working like a gem at the beginning of this game. What you guys do is basically open up bronze packs and sell what you get inside, and you can get some insane players. As you can see on the screen right now, this guy sold for 5K. 5K, I don't know how. And then we had Nathan Holland sold for 750, and I'm not even going to go through it all, but basically all these guys were open today, like literally like an hour ago. It takes no time at all to do, and it's really easy, and it's effective too. You can make some good coins off of it, and it's a great way to kind of build up a budget if you have a lower budget, or if you're just trying to chill out for a little bit and you want to just open some bronze packs. So right there is about 6 full pages of sales, and I say profit wise I don't know exactly how much we made, but I want to say it's around 10 to 15k. We also still have a little bit more selling over here, which has not sold yet, and we're going to look to probably lower the prices down if these don't sell eventually. We'll obviously have to wait and see though. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it, how to check, and we'll see how much we can make in one episode. So we're gonna get rid of everything we just sold. So we're starting off with 290k, which could go up to 294 with the 2 lamers I had. We're not gonna count those in this video, but yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to the store, and you're going to simply open up these 400 coin packs. Don't do the 750s. They are not worth it. Really, you can make just as many coins doing just the 400 coin ones, and it leaves you with more profit. So we're going to do a test here. I'll probably end up skipping through some of this if it starts to kind of dry out and get a little boring. But to start off, we get just a basic pack, basic player, which is fine because, some of these packs will be duds, and you have to accept that some packs won't give you as much profit. Now, what you're going to want to do every time you open a pack is you're going to want to check compare price. So as you can see, this guy actually could sell, and how you can judge that is based off of what I like to call the 5-minute or 10-minute rule. Basically what you do is you look and see when the closest expiry is. So this guy is closest is 800, and that's at 18 minutes. And then the next 200 we get is 28 minutes away, which tells me this guy could actually sell. So we'll list them up there for 200, and hopefully we can, take some profit on that card. This guy, as you can see, there's only one at 200 with 6 minutes to go, and he actually is a little bit pricier, a little bit farther in. Looks like someone had it just a mass invest. This card might sell, he might not. We'll have to wait and see what happens, but we'll look at this card. He does not pass that 5-minute, 10-minute test, so I'm actually going to keep him and keep all of the other stuff for now. What you guys can do when you keep these players is you can actually look to rinse them into silver upgrades for League SBCs later on this year, or just easy SBCs like we got today, whatever it may be. So in this pack we have this guy right here. He is a tough one. He might sell, he might not. We'll list him up anyways and see if he does. This guy here, Kamara, he actually does look like he sells for a little bit. Not a single one listed for 200, so we're going to list him up for 250, and likely he will hopefully sell and we can make some good coins. Other things to look out for are cool kits, cool badges. The stadium themes don't really sell unless it's a more popular one, and I've noticed that some kits do. A stadium to look out for is the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, the one that the Atlanta Falcons play in America. That stadium usually always sells. And a lot of like the colorful kits that have like a lot of cool patterns and designs, those kits kind of tend to sell off for more. I know the Salford City badge also sells off for a little bit too. It usually does every year. So right here we got a 64 rated guy, and as you guys can see, this card does look like he could sell for 10k, but he's got a 150 bid. Personally, I mean, this card probably doesn't sell for much. What we could do is list them up for 4,900 and see. Worst case scenario, after an hour, we'll just lower his price until we find something that will, he'll actually sell on. Right here, this guy doesn't look like he sells. He doesn't have that 200 coin. He doesn't pass the 200 coin test. And same with the rest of these guys, it seems. So we're going to keep the rest of them, sell off this stuff that doesn't go for anything. A lot of the stadium upgrades don't really go for anything, like the Tifos, the celebrations. So we actually got 2 of the Sudamericana cards in this one. Right now, I don't think these cards sell for anything, and it's kind of annoying. These cards are literally worthless. All of them are worth like 200 coins. So my best advice to you guys would probably just be to keep those ones for now, and then, you know, see what comes out of them later on with new SBCs later in the stage. But for now, those cards just don't really sell for anything. So anyways, what you guys are going to see now is my best packs. We're going to kind of do like a highlight reel. I'll speed up all of the process and whatnot, and yeah, we'll be back once I open up some more packs. Alright, so with about an hour later, we have about half the transfer list sold. We filled this up all the way to 100. So, you know, this took about half an hour. I'll be on the screen right now. I'll just do like a quick speed through of what we did. But basically what happens during this is we go through each and every, like, you know, pack. Again, like I showed you guys just a few moments ago, you know, you want to quickly go through. You want to see who's valuable, who's not by comparing prices. It's really straightforward. It's really, really simple. As you guys could see here now on the transfer list, we had quite a few guys sell for decent coins. I can't tell you why these guys are selling, whether it's SBCs, rarity. I don't know why a lot of these cards are selling, but as you guys can see, we've made about 11k and we've sold just half the transfer list. And realistically, we didn't even get that many gems in these packs, and we also reinvested quite a bit of coins back into packs. So our coin total will probably end up being about 25 to 30k after everything sells, which I'd say is pretty good profit considering, you know, the speed through that's still going on is, the speed through was about 20 minutes of me opening these packs. So realistically, you know, 20 minutes for 30k is not too bad at all. Obviously, we have to wait for all these guys to sell, but as you guys can see here, we had 750, 900, 900, 750, 200, 900, 3,500 for this guy. Why? I don't know. There was nothing special about the card at all. But we have a 700, 700, or a 400, my bad, 500. And then we got some 200s, and 1100 right here with 93 pace, 700, 200, and then this one actually went on bid for 150. However, this card really was worth nothing anyways. This guy went for 500, and we're getting into some of the non-rares who sell for a little bit less. The rares tend to do very, very well, I will say that. 700 coins for this card, 400, 700, go on, 550 for the Stoke player. You know, just looking at cards, and these profits add up. You know, some packs are going to be duds, but you're still getting, you know, if you get 200 coins here and there, the profit really starts to add up, as you guys can see here. And realistically, the luck was not too great. Most of these non-rares realistically didn't sell. We also had 2 kits, like I said. Some kits that are bright or, you know, they look cool, they will sell. The Salford City ones usually do. Very popular badge and kit. We still have quite a few things left to sell. Like I said, we still have about half the transfer list. All these celebrations aren't going to sell anyway, so I will probably end up taking that off. But again, like, we have a good amount of stuff, and this is at night, keep in mind. Like, I'm recording this very late, like it's like 3-4 a.m. in the UK right now, and I sold off half my transfer list pretty quick. The bronze pack method is definitely something to, you know, it's not going to make you 1,000,000 coins overnight, but it's a very nice thing to do, whether you have coins tied up or you just, you know, the market's, you know, doing whatever it's doing, dropping a lot, icons dropping, you know, it's just one of those days where the market is just not doing too well. You can always hop in bronze pack method, you know, just chill out, or just in between games. That's what I did during this. While waiting for a few more to sell, I would hop in some squad battles or whatever, division rivals. Just play a game or so, see who sells, reopen packs, fill the transfer list up to the max, and just keep going. Again, very profitable, and when you fill up your transfer list quite a lot, the profit just rolls in, you know. Again, you know, 11k or whatever, probably a little bit more. Like I said, we're probably going to end up with 25, 30k once everything else sells. we're probably looking at, again, like 20 to 30K for every, 20 minutes of pack opening. And if you keep going, you can roll in easily like 40, 50K an hour. And with a little bit of luck, even more. If you're not so lucky, maybe a little bit less. But regardless, very good considering, the time of day right now. We don't even have any League SBCs out. Once we get League SBCs, the bronze pack method can only get better from here. Anyways, that'll wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed, please drop a like. Drop a comment down below what your thoughts are on the bronze pack method. And if you have any questions about how to do it and whatnot, I'll try and answer as soon as I can. Make sure you guys subscribe for more FIFA 21 content. Later today, we're probably going to be talking about whatever content comes out. We'll do a market watch, talk about what's going to come out with squad battle rewards. And then on Monday, we have a very, very good video coming out talking about how you can make coins during content drop at every single time. So make sure you guys are subscribed. You don't want to miss out on any of that. We have a big week coming up with the potential of foot champs. So, Thursday flips are going to be in high demand come, next week. You guys, again, don't want to miss out on any of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.